Brave browser. This is the browser I've been using. As you guys can see, I like this browser because it shows me the stats, right? It shows me, it clearly shows you that I've been using it. I got 580 trackers that's been blocked. I have 451 ads blocked. I have 12 HTTPS upgrades, which means that if a site is not really beefed up in security, Brave browser go ahead and put that extra layer and upgrade it up for you, and it shows you the estimated time that I have saved so far, which is about 52 seconds. So this browser is good, man. This browser is dope. It's doing what it's supposed to do. I like it because it just shows me the stats right there, right? In this day and age, we like data, right? We want to see the numbers. We want that shows us what's going on. And I'm gonna use this browser, and I'm gonna put cryptocurrency in this browser. This is the cool thing about it. You can put cryptocurrencies inside this browser. The cryptocurrency is, the Brave, which is, basic attention token. So it's BAT. It's called BAT, basic attention token. You go to coinmarketcap.com and look for it yourself, and you see all the data on it, on that cryptocurrency. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to, send some Bitcoin, which is going to, convert into BAT, and I'm going to be able to put it in my browser, and it's going to show up right here because I'm going to send Crypto Bobby some BAT, which is basic attention token, because, I like his content. I'll be watching his stuff on YouTube and stuff like that. So, and I think we actually got started around the same time, I believe. I'm not too sure, but, I've been following him quite some time. So I'm going to, give back, I'm going to give him some cryptocurrency, and I'm going to put it in here, which shows me my Brave payments. So it shows me my monthly budget right here. I could change this to however much I want, to 5 BAT, which is going to be 97 cents a month. And it's just going to spread out to all the websites that I go to, or YouTube channels, or Twitter. Not Twitter, but Twitch. Twitch is really popular right now. You can actually add your Twitch account to Brave payments. So I'm just going to show you guys, just the basic of how it functions, right? So I'm going to go ahead and add some funds. But before I do that, I need to, open my wallet, which is BitPay. BitPay, I have a Bitcoin address associated with BitPay. So I'm opening this up so I could go ahead and send my Bitcoin to the Brave browser, which is going to convert my Bitcoin into BAT. And then once I get my BAT, I could go to Crypto Bobby's website or YouTube, because he has both. I'm gonna go to his YouTube and send him some BAT and see how it all comes out at the end, right? So this is my wallet, and let me see what I'm gonna do here. I want to send at the bottom. Let's see. Go to back, go to add funds, go to Bitcoin. This is my address right here, so I need to copy this. And always make sure it's Bitcoin, right? Because you don't want to send your money to the wrong address. So I'm going to add it here. And as this pop up, I got about $10 worth in Bitcoin. So let me see exactly. Not 10, but back this up. So let's see if I can flip this. There we go. So $10 I'm sending to this address here. So sending 0.001452 BTC, which is $10. I have about $10 in this account. This is the miner fee, the Bitcoin miner fee, which is normal. They're taking 17 cents at 1.67% of the sending amount. So I'm gonna go ahead and wait for this to go through, and I'm gonna go ahead and hit send at the bottom, and it's creating this transaction, which is gonna be on the blockchain. So that's pretty dope right there. And just like that, it's going to be my Brave payment. So I'm gonna let this go ahead and go through. If something pops up, I'm gonna show you what's going on. But other than that, I shouldn't have no more problems. So it should be sending. So with that said, I'll be right back. So as you guys can see, the payment has been sent. So I'm gonna just hit OK. This says me personal wallet, a few seconds ago. So I could try to see what I have in my wallet now. So I have 89 cents. So that just shows me that this went through, right? It just showed before it went so fast, but it showed like $11. So I sent about $10. So now I'm left with 89 cents. So that's cool. It went through. So let me see if it reached my Brave wallet yet. So as you guys can see, that my BAT came through, which was $10 worth. The price of Bitcoin dropped just a little bit, and I know that because I lost about 2 cents, because the market is always going up and down. So the good news is that it could go up. Once it go up, I could gain some money. But once the market go down, which we are in the bear market right now, I just lost 2 cents. But it's not a big deal. I have my BAT. I have 50.65 BAT, which is basic attention token. And now that I have it in my account balance, I thought it was going to be right here, but it actually showed up right here. So I have this auto include on right here, which so I'm going to go to Crypto Bobby's YouTube, and then it's going to be auto included down here, and then I'm just going to go ahead and click on the site and send them some money either monthly, right? If I could do it now, I should be able to do it right then and now, or it might just have to be monthly. So either way, he'll be able to get his some of his BAT that I'm giving to him for his for good content. So let's go ahead and finish this up. So let me see. We're gonna go to YouTube, click on his YouTube page. And then, so it's going to take, so what my Brave browser is doing now is getting data from this, URL up here, which is going to be in my, Brave browser, section. So I'm just trying to give it some time for it to, I guess, I don't know if they're just crawling his website just so they could get his, the URL off this site. So, so I could send him some BAT. So that's what it's doing right now. But in the meantime, you guys can actually go check out his video as well. He has 140,000 subscribers, things like that. So I'm definitely working my way up as well. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. That means a lot once I get there, because I've actually seen my channel grow from 0 to all the way to what it is now. And for me, that was a big feat, because I never did YouTube whatsoever. So, I'm new to the whole YouTube scene, and I love talking about cryptocurrency. So, with that said, go ahead and check out his videos. You got pretty good content and things like that. And, go ahead and check it out. So, let me go back to Brave Payments, or, so just like that, this is Cryptos Bobby's, his URL to his YouTube channel, and I have it included as, I can, and include this if I want to, or I could, click the mouse again and include it. So I gotta include it, and it's on auto include for any other website I go to. It just automatically include right here, and it'd be automatically, pinned to this monthly budget of about, $3.45, a month, where 17.5 BAT will be distributed to the whole list of websites that I want to include in this. But at the time being, Crypto Bobby is going to get the whole thing, which is 17.5 BAT at $3, which is worth $3.45. So, that's how you do it. Like I said, I got the link below. You can use my link so you guys could sign up for Brave, browser, so you guys could do this as well. And, you guys could actually receive BATs as well. So I'm going to do a future video on how to do that part. But, yeah, give this video a thumbs up. And, that's it, guys. Have a great one.